Prime Minister Modi reflected on the conclusion of the Mahakumbh, describing it as a Mahayagya of unity, where over 140 crore Indians came together for 45 days in Prayagraj. He noted the event's profound impact on preserving cultural heritage and its global recognition as a model for management and planning. Prime Minister Modi also praised the management of Mahakumbh and said the world was watching in amazement. That is what the Prime Minister has said. Prime Minister Modi called the Mahakumbh 2025 as a symbol of national unity and cultural awakening, and said that we've witnessed awakened consciousness of nation. My colleague Vasudha also now joins us on the broadcast here. Vasudha, important words now coming in from the Prime Minister as the Mahakumbh now has concluded. Prime Minister Modi calls it a symbol of national unity and cultural awakening.
Absolutely, Kitty. A significant applause from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who himself was also part of Mahakumbh a few days ago. And just hours after Mahakumbh ended, he has written this beautiful post in which he has called Mahakumbh 2025 a confluence of Indian devotion and faith, but also something that strengthens his resolve to take India on the path of Viksit Bharat. He in fact said that Mahakumbh is a testament of India's ancient ethos and also unity, love and harmony that India has represented. Samrasta is what he talks about. In this, he talks about a certain episode from the Ramayana. He invokes Raja Nishad, who was one of the childhood friends of Lord Ram from the ST community, and he said that India has always believed in non-discrimination. That's what our ancient values stand for, and Mahakumbh is just a representation of how people from different castes, creed come together and without any bias, without any differences, take that holy dip in the Sangam. He in fact says that he will be going to Somnath, one of the oldest Jyotirlings in the country, very soon to pay his tributes and prayers to God. In fact, thank him for this wonderful Mahakumbh. He says that this is also a sign that India is ready to take on that path of Viksit Bharat. And in fact, the world, he says, is watching in wonder and amazement to see that India has been able to pull this off. And he specifically praises Yogi Adityanath government, naming him, saying that there was no Prashasan or Shasak here. Everyone was just a Sevak. In fact, he says that this is an excellent case study and an example of how future events should be held. And he goes on to also say that as a Sansad from Uttar Pradesh, remember he is an MP from Varanasi, the fact that rivers have to be clean and humans have to make that effort is also the big message that Mahakumbh sends out.
Absolutely. More than 66 crore devotees have taken the holy dip in the Sangam during the Mahakumbh, and just on the Mahashivratri day, that was yesterday as the Mahakumbh concluded, more than 1 crore devotees had taken the holy dip. You're still in Prayagraj. You've witnessed it all, Vasudha. Yesterday also, for Mahashivratri, we do understand lakhs of devotees had gathered for that auspicious day. Have people already now started departing? Well, we've seen how good arrangements were made there, and praise has been coming in from all quarters, of course.
Absolutely, Kitty. The city has started clearing out. In fact, Ashwini Vaishnaw, the railway minister, was also here inspecting the 380 special trains which have been put in place yesterday and today to ensure that people leave from Prayagraj. Yesterday night, there were hordes of people who were leaving the city. Remember that this has been going on for the last 45 days. And as Prime Minister says that, in his post, he talks about the story from Little Krishna when he opens his mouth and shows the whole Brahman to his mother. He says that India has surprised the world by handling this kind of unprecedented crowd. But of course, every good thing comes to an end, and the city has started clearing out, and within a few days, in fact within a few hours from now, Prayagraj would go back to what it was 2 months ago.